Bring the family together, and take it easy on yourself. The Pioneer Woman Cooks Super Easy will free you up and transform your cooking life as well. With 120 recipes that range from effortless breakfasts to breezy skillet meals to speedy soups to ready-in-minutes Tex-Mex delights, so you'll have lots of options for any given meal. Many recipes in this cookbook call for step-saving and sanity-saving shortcuts that will revolutionize the time you spend making meals for your family, and all of them are utterly scrumptious. I've absolutely fallen in love with this new generation of recipes, including Butter Pecan French Toast, Buffalo Chicken Totchos, Speedy Dumpling Soup, Broccoli Cheese Stromboli, and an entire section of pastas and grains, such as one-pot sausage pasta and colorful and fresh Hawaiian Shrimp Bowls. You'll find yummy meals such as Pepperoni Fried Rice, chicken fried steak fingers, and ultra-tasty chicken curry in a hurry. As well as assemble in the baking dish casseroles, throw together sheet pan suppers, and simply decadent desserts such as mug cakes, coconut cream pie, and Brownie S'Mores Bars that you'll dream about. There's something for everyone in this cookbook, and not a single recipe, ingredient, or step is complicated or difficult. Find the link below and buy the book now.